Good morning.
Good morning.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, so today we have another delicious breakfast. And Taylor, you want to describe it?
So this is a smoked whitefish that actually comes from the Great Lakes. So it's freshly caught, it's not farm raised, there's no antibiotics in it. So that's good. It was actually the first few times we've tried it. And it really tastes good smoked. You definitely don't need any added salt to it though.
Yeah, and also, this is not a bad fit
No, why?
because it comes on the way.
And instead of salmon, you can use this for
Anything.
Anything. But it's got all the same omegas. Actually, it's higher, I think you read, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you probably wondered, how can I have fish for breakfast? Because it's a fish weekend. This is it. We could have had lox, but we really love this, and it's
something new and different.
something new. So what we do is we have sweet potato leaves, cucumber, mandolin,
Yeah.
very thin, onions, and of course the unhealthy cream cheese with bagels.
Yeah, bagels.
And then we'll have our coffee very soon too.
Bagels are
We
not.
forgot to make the coffee. We got so
Bagels are
busy.
super yummy, but not that healthy.
So it's been a great morning. Stefan and I already built a log cabin out of his logs.
Winking log.
And then it rained almost 4 inches overnight. Taylor had to teach. She kept assuming she would lose power, but she didn't.
Yeah.
Worked
And-
well.
yeah, but all our friends in St. Louis lost it. But then we have our herb garden, and when she was younger, I filled it with this liner from a pool. So it's only maybe 6 inches, 7 inches. My theory was in the winter, she'd get ice skate, which was perfect, you know. So now it holds all the water for all my plants that I want to save, and I put in there. I'm
And a
talking
pool.
about. So him and I were out there splashing. Okay, but it's the greatest thing. Next time, if I ever did an herb garden or something, I'm gonna put a pool in it.
Ta-da!
Wow, what is it?
No, you gotta give it to the front. The front.
I'm trying to move.
Okay, you want? Okay, open it up.
Yeah.
Oh, coffee.
And this is a cool present.
Did you know about this?
Yeah. And
Oh!
I told ya.
Yeah. Okay, and it's heated. As you saw on the first video, I can hardly stand up. I keep throwing my back and neck out, especially after my shoulder.
Whoa.
So all week, Stefan has been saying, no, we got you a back thing. And I said, no, he's just lying. So it's heated as well.
It doesn't look yet. It doesn't look yet.
So now you can see the videos with me not hunched
They
over.
got buttons. They got buttons.
No, you have
No,
to
we
plug
have
it
to
in.
charge
It's a
it.
plug-in.
Oh my gosh, I need this. Is this so you don't have to push on my back anymore? It's like, if I ever hit the lotto, I want a masseuse. Personal
And
masseuse.
this is what it
Shoulders
is.
all the time.
Here, this is what you do.
Oh, for a car. Okay, so we're going to eat breakfast and eat all day, and we'll see you later on. Hold on.